On our trip we visited a pilot pig farm. You raise the pigs, but is the plan to give the live pig to a community so they can continue raising pigs for their food supply?
Yes. That's also our goal.
Yeah. So they can come here to learn.
Yeah.
So like education center.
We can educate our people here.
Okay.
How to treat the pig, how to treat the piglet.
And when they're sick.
Yeah.
And how to breed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I sing with you? Can I dance with you tonight? You're so beautiful, garota Jessica, come close to me.
So where do you get your latest information from? Like technology for pig breeding?
From the internet.
Yeah. So did some foreigner visit you to help you or no? But you like? This is a good example of the workings of Eco Flores because they have no expert knowledge about pig food and healthcare for pigs. So they learn by trial and error. In Eco Flores we have 3 advisors who are experts on this, so we immediately connected them and now they are communicating.